Okay, we're going to start today with a warm-up. So we're going to give you a couple of minutes here. This is exactly like yesterday where we were learning how to factor all this information and of course sketch it. So I'll give you a second to go through all your steps, do a couple of test points, see if you can figure out a factor, take that factor, do your long division. You might have to do long division twice in this question, and then take all your information and do a sketch. So I'll ask the supply teacher to pause here, and we'll give the students about 5 or 10 minutes to complete this entire question, and then you can push play and see the answer. So remember, your first step is to try and guess a number. For no apparent reason, I might guess 2 or -2. I don't know. You can either take my advice or not. Good luck. Okay, so now that you've had a chance to try it, here is the answers. If you'll notice my answer here, I didn't take my own advice, although 2 would have worked as one of the factors. And in fact, I decided to show you a different one just to show you that it doesn't matter which factor you pick or find at the beginning. Your work might be different, but your end result should be the same. So if you did take my advice and try 2, then your top part will look a little bit different, but eventually you should end up with the same answer of x plus 5, x plus 1, and x minus 2. In this one, you'll see that I tried -5, and it worked, so that meant that x plus 5 is a factor. Did my synthetic division, left with 2 factors, and my trinomial at the end could be factored further, and I ended up with that equation. Now I see that I have 3 roots, one of them at -5, one of them at -3, and one of them at 2. And since they all have an order of 1, they're going to cross. The degree in total is 3. I get that either from seeing that it's order 1 plus 1 plus 1, and I get a degree of 3. Or remember, very back at the beginning, I can see that the degree is 3 there. Leading coefficient is positive. It's a positive 1 right there or right here. And so I know it's going to start down here, end up here, crosses at those 3 roots, and I get that picture as a possible sketch. Okay, so that's it for our warm-up. The next video will start today's lesson.